Vanakkam guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Manisha. Today's video is to get perfect curls without heat or curler. For more pics, check out my Instagram. So this is my straight hair, and yeah, you can see how it is. And now I'm going to turn this straight hair into this Maggi noodles. Yay! So after opening those curls, it becomes something like this. So moving on to the video, things you need is any serum which you use. I am using Biolage serum, Matrix one, and here I am using not the Livon serum, guys. It's just the bottle, and in the bottle I have filled it with water. Then in the water I am using a few drops of Matrix Biolage serum. It's your wish, you can skip this serum step also, and instead of pouring the serum you can directly use water itself. Now I have mixed a few drops, and now I am shaking it well so that it mixes. And spray bottle will be convenient, guys, so I am using a spray bottle. If you don't have, you can just take water in your hand and apply it to your hair. So the next step is to part your hair into two sections, and be sure that your hair is tangle free before you start this trick or steps. So moving on to the next step, you have to just spray the mixture of serum and water to your hair, any section you can start with. So here I am starting with the right section, and yes, I am spraying it like this. Now the next step is to take a section near your neck and spray the solution once again to only to the section which you have taken. Now separate your hair and put it back, and now make a loop of that particular section like this, and now rotate the hair to the section above the loop, something like this. So guys, here I am not going to rotate the whole strand onto the loop, but till a particular length. Now once you reach a particular length, this much of hair you have to insert between the two fingers, something like this, and pull out that from the loop which you created. Don't pull fully out, and now just lock that with the rotated hair above. Guys, this is the one of the important step in this trick. So once again let me show you. So again take one more strand, so now again I'm going to spray the particular strand with the water and serum solution, and again I'm going to make a loop. Guys, watch it once clearly so that you can understand. Again with two fingers I am going to make a loop, and I am rotating it over the loop. I am not going to rotate this fully. Till a particular point I am going to rotate this. Now see, I have some hair left and I am pulling it through the loop and not fully, and now securing this loop with the rotated hair. That's all, guys, that's all. So similarly you have to make sections to all the hair you have, and you have to make curls like this.
Guys, I am going to fast forward it and finish all the sections completely. both the sections and then show you how it looks. Please watch it fully because at the end I'll be showing the trick how to open these curls properly, or else you'll be stuck there how to open this, and there'll be a trick how to secure this too.
I know this is a very tedious job, but then trust me, the results are worth it. So I'm done with this curling thing. I look very funny. Oh my god. Okay, moving on. Again, you have to spray the water and that solution. Oh my god, my eyes. Okay, this solution again to all the loops which you made or the strands which you have. Now comes the securing part. Ta-da! You need a silk scarf, guys. Here I am using a silk scarf to secure this, but if you don't have any silk scarf, you can use any cloth available with you. So if it is silk scarf, it will prevent your hair to get very dry. So now moving on. So guys, you have to just tie it like a mask you usually tie. I usually tie a mask like this when I drive. So tie it something like this, and then the other parts you can tie back side of your neck, something like this, so that the whole hair or the partitions which you have are covered. If it is hurting your neck, you can tie over your head too. So guys, you have to keep this thing, this scarf and the loops at least 4 to 5 hours. If not, please do this overnight so that the loops get more time to be in a spiral shape. So after 4 hours, I look something like this. My neck was hurting, so I just opened it and tied it over my head. Now these strands look something like this, and I have to open this one by one to see how the curls are baked. Yes, so it was so easy to open. See how gorgeous it is. Oh my god, I even didn't expect this will be like this. But okay, fine. So you have to pull this strand which we left through the loop, and it will come out very easily. See how bouncy the curl is. Oh my god. Literally, I can't believe this. This is without any curler or heat, guys. OMG. Again, I'm pulling the strand and it comes out so easily. See? This is why we left the strand out of the loop. See how bouncy and fully curled it is. Oh my god, I can't explain. So similarly, we have to open all the other loops too. So I've opened all the loops, and now see how bouncy and how crisp perfect the curls are. You can leave these curls like this, or you can open it. So now I'll prefer to open these curls for my hair, so I'm just opening it, or you can just leave and make a updo, a half updo or something. So now I'm opening. Oh my god, it's a bit clumsy, guys, but yeah, okay. So yeah guys, this is the final look after opening all the curls. So I am very much happy with the curls. Without any heat or any product, I have done these curls and I've done justice to my hair. And yeah, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also check out my Instagram for more pics. And yes, do try this. Thank you. Bye bye.